Hi, everyone. This is my new channel, Learn to Code with Me. And today I'll be going over kind of a little bit about myself, the purpose of this channel, a few disclosures. And so let's go ahead and get started. Once again, my channel name is Learn to Code with Me. I'm very happy that you're here. A little bit about what this channel is about is that I really want to be able to share some of my programming knowledge. I'm in no way an expert, but I do have some tidbits. I started I have some experience already, years of experience working as a tutor, some years as a programming tutor, additionally as a support engineer and now as a software developer. I'm excited to say this is the end of my third week, so it's exciting going on to my fourth week and about to finish up a month. That being said, I want to be able to share my journey with you. And if you have any questions relating to certain programming concepts, my program is mainly C++. So if you have questions about that, that'd be great. But I'm also open to expanding and so learning more. And I'm very excited about what's been going on right now. Like I said, it's been 3 weeks. It's very exciting. There's a lot of things that I have to learn and I'm excited to learn. And so if you have any questions about that, definitely let me know. As far as the activities that I plan for this channel, I'm hoping to go over some programming concepts, any that you might find of interest. I've previously done a channel on how to cover some programming fundamentals. So, things like loops, things like, variables. I didn't really go into advanced concepts like, I don't know, like pointers or iterators and things of that nature, just because I really want people who are going into the field, people who kind of transition into the field to feel comfortable with it. And I want to kind of lessen the barriers and remove some of the misconceptions that you have to be, you know, very educated or unique or incredibly smart to go into the field. You just have to keep at it, and you can definitely do it. That being said, I do want to go over any concepts, whether it's, fundamental concepts or advanced concepts. My background is in C++, but if it's related to something else, another language, maybe like, say, for example, databases or, Python or whatever it may be, I'm open to learning it and then covering it in a video. I know that everyone has their own learning style. And the reason I say that is because sometimes perhaps the way that I kind of portray the information may be more comfortable for you. So I hope that that's the case. If not, I understand. And, I hope that you find your own style of learning that, best complements you. And it may be that you might just like a video that I cover, and that's, completely fine, hopefully at least one video. Some other things that I might do is LeetCoding examples. Definitely want to keep my interviewing skills sharp. And another reason for that is because, I see a lot of programmers, or at least YouTubers, kind of do LeetCoding examples. And since it's so popular, maybe something that you're interested in. And so why not kind of delve into that topic? One other kind of interesting tidbit about myself is that I love kind of the stock market. I actually used to play RuneScape, and there's this feature called the Grand Exchange, where you would be able to trade commercial items with other people. And I always love that, the idea of, buying low, selling high, and, looking into statistics of variability. And in this instance, also for the stock market, of course, reviewing financial information. So like a 10K, looking at the balance sheets and really understanding what you're investing in, not kind of going off of gut feeling, but using, trying to use evidence to support your claims or to support your picks, so to speak. I'm not a financial advisor, but if you have any kind of companies that you want me to look into, that's something I'd be open to as well. I can expand this as part of a different playlist. Let me know, and that's something I'll be open to. A few disclosures. Number one, I'm by no means an expert. I do consider myself, knowledgeable, and I think after these past few years that I've developed, I would like to say, some experience. But I did start programming in 2018. Prior to that, to be honest, I didn't even know how to really use iTunes. I have an AS in computer programming as of 2019. And a lot of the skills that I learned was self-study, right? So a lot of the things that I learned was, going through programming books or courses, and really just learning the fundamentals. Or I really love other YouTube channels as well, CppCon in particular, lots of C++ experts, which is always exciting to watch. But once again, I'm by no means a professional. I am, yeah, a software developer now, but there's so much I have to learn. And another thing I want to disclose is that all of these videos are going to be completely unedited. And my thoughts will be outlined beforehand, because if not, I don't want to, for whatever reason, kind of go off on a tangent for many minutes, or forget what I'm saying for minutes. So they will be outlined. However, it is going to be unedited. What that means is everything you hear from me, if I stutter, if for some reason I can't think of the word that I was thinking of, everything's contemporaneous. So I feel that that's not only more time efficient. Once again, I did have a previous channel, and 10-minute videos used to take about 3 hours with editing. And I imagine some other, YouTubers take much longer to edit their videos as well. And it's definitely a skill to be able to edit. But I think it's kind of nice, and it's a little bit more personal when you hear someone's unfiltered thoughts, and that way you kind of get a sense of how they speak, who they are, and I just tend to like it more. So thank you so much for watching. Welcome. I hope that you enjoy the content, and that you're a fan of my journey, and you're excited to learn to code with me. And so hope you have a great day, and I'll leave it at that. How do I stop recording? Oh, there it is. And